from Iraq, one of the participants in the 9 Global Rhinoplasty Fellowship in Jaipur. Firstly, I would like to thank Dr. Sonal Tanwar for this nice course, and I take good information from him and colleague. Really good work and good job, and now I am able to do all type of rhinoplasty. Thank you for
from Iraq. I came for this global rhinoplasty fellowship by Dr. Sonil. So a special thanks for Dr. Sonil and his assistant doctor for this amazing training. We improved our rhinoplasty skills during suturing, during grafting, during many techniques. So again, special thanks for Dr. Sonil and his assistant doctor in Jaipur Hospital. See you next time, inshallah.
I came here to study rhinoplasty from Dr. Sunil Tawar, and I joined this fellowship program just to clear my all the doubts and to get better understanding of rhinoplasty. And now, after completing some days here, I find that I can do confidently all the steps, and I have cleared most of my doubts. And I think everyone should try to do, all the ENT surgeons should try to do this rhinoplasty fellowship. And I think sir is very good, and he has helped us a lot to understand all the things.
Hey, so I'm Layla Masaudi. I come from Muscat, Oman. I joined Next Rhinoplasty Center to do the 9th rhinoplasty course here at Jaipur Hospital. I'm very thankful for the amazing team and the amazing organization by Dr. Sonil and his colleagues. I highly recommend this course as there's multiple various types and cases of rhinoplasty, from simple to complex, multiple costal grafts that we did over the last couple of days. So it's highly recommended. I'm very thankful again to the whole team, and I look forward to join you for the next coming course, hopefully in the near future. Thank you, Dr. Sunil, and thank you the rest of the team.
Hi, I am Dr. Vishal Mohan Goyal, plastic and cosmetic surgeon from India. So this is the 9th International Fellowship course with participants from across. So in this course we have learned the fine nuances of rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty itself appears to be a very difficult task, difficult surgery because of the anatomical and procedural changes. But with Dr. Sunil, we have learned it so well by heart. We have followed the same procedure many a times that it has imprinted on our mind that we can do a rhinoplasty, nice and good rhinoplasty independently. And thanks to Dr. Sunil Tawar and his team and all my fellow participants, we enjoyed a lot, we learned a lot from each other, and thank you. And I will cherish all these memories for later in my lifetime also. Thank you all. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Ahmed. I came from the far distance from Iraq to India to Dr. Sanyal and fellowship of rhinoplasty. It's a great fellowship and a great seminar. I hope to thanks to Dr. Sanyal and all the person work with them. It's great and give me a lot of knowledge about rhinoplasty and the progress of our skill in this surgery. Thanks.
Hello, I am Dr. Simrandeep. I am an ENT surgeon working at Sir Gangaram Hospital. So I joined this rhinoplasty course with the very basic theoretical knowledge of rhinoplasty and no surgical skill. So after doing 3-4 days of this course, I am quite confident that I can handle most of the cases of rhinoplasty. And sir is a down-to-earth person, and he's a very good teacher, and he cleared all of my doubts very nicely.
मैं डॉक्टर विदुषी जीएमसी रजौरी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर से राइनोप्लास्टी का कोर्स करने आई थी। जो सोच के आई थी उससे बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे हमने सीखा। डॉक्टर सुनील तनवर का नाम सुना था, आज उनके साथ हमें 4-5 दिन बिताने का मौका मिला। ये दिन हमारी ज़िंदगी में हमें हमेशा याद रहेंगे कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें क्लियर हुई जो शायद हम बार बार पढ़ते भी, सुनते भी, देखते भी, तभी वो क्लियर नहीं हो सकती थी। तो ये राइनोप्लास्टी कोर्स, हमारे सारे कोर्स जितने भी हमारे सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, उन सब का ये एक्सपीरियंस रहा। और एज अ पर्सन मैं डॉक्टर सुनील की पर्सनालिटी से इतनी ज़्यादा जो है प्रभावित हुई हूँ कि सर इतने डाउन टू अर्थ हो सकता है कोई, इतना सिंपल, ही इज़ सो नाइस। मतलब उनका सिर्फ पढ़ाने का तरीका नहीं, एज अ पर्सन भी उन्होंने हमने उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है। तो ये पूरी ज़िंदगी हमें सबको याद रहेगा। थैंक यू।
First, I want to thank for Dr. Sunil and all of the coordinators of this beautiful and smart workshop. This workshop added to me many information and many skills that was at the previous it is mysterious for me, and it has opened my mind about many things and about many factors that participated for successful rhinoplasty surgery. I want to thank for him for this, and I want to repeat this workshop in the future. Thank you.